History museums are traditionally oriented on collecting, preserving, researching, storing, exhibiting, and displaying objects' importance for history of a certain territory, local or more general. They contain a variety of artifacts, documents, and historical, archaeological, and architectural heritage item. One of the more famous history museums is Naranhiti Palace Museum. The museum is a public museum in Kathmandu, Nepal, located towards the east of the Kesher Mall and next to Thamel. It was built in 1963 AD and its name consists of two parts. Narayan is the Hindu god, Vishnu, whose temple is located opposite to the palace. Hiti means water spout in Newari language, which is also located to the east of main entrance. This museum is divided into three main sections, including welcome and royal program sections, guest sections, and private section. Namaste, I am Basanta Shrestha. I'm a tourist guide here in Nepal. Today, I'm here to talk about why you should visit Naranhiti Palace Museum. Here you go. Naranhiti Palace Museum was opened to the public in 2009 AD. Naranhiti Palace Museum is a place of entertainment, amusement, recreations, pleasures, and leisures. Naranhiti Palace Museum is an institution that preserves culture and transmit it to present and future generations. Naranhiti Palace Museum is home to plenty of fine arts, architecture, archaeology, iconography, culture heritage, and popular traditions collections. Naranhiti Palace Museum is recognized as a valuable place for learning and teaching its art, science, the history of architecture and archaeology, and national and cultural history. Naranhiti Palace Museum preserves and displays ancient religious texts, images, manuscripts, sculpture, inscriptions, paintings of various deities belonging to Hinduism and Buddhism. Naranhiti Palace Museum exhibits artifacts belonging to different time period which help to acquire knowledge related to the history of different Shah rulers of Nepal. Naranhiti Palace Museum was the former home of the royal family following the abdications of the king and the founder of a republic. The building of its grounds have been turned into a public museum. Naranhiti Palace Museum collects, preserves, and interprets history in relation to the past of Nepal's royal family. Naranhiti Palace Museum is set to open Sri Sadan King's Birendra private family residence, which has been kept intact since the royal massacre. Naranhiti Palace Museum includes Kaski dining room, Magdi dining room, Prabhat room, Rukum dining room, Rolpa dining room, Dailek room, Baitadi room, Acham room, Bajura dining room, Jumla dining room, Dolpa dining room, Tanau dining room, Gorkha dining room, Mugu room, Lamjung dining room, Gulmi office room, Dading room, Dankuta room, Danusa dining room, etc. Naranhiti Palace Museum comprise Gauri Shankar Gateway, Himalchuli Gateway, Sagarmatha Gateway, Dhaulagiri Gateway, Makalu Gateway, Lhotse Gateway, Annapurna Gateway, Ganesh Himal Gateway, Machapuchre Gateway, and Manasulu Gateway. Naranhiti Palace Museum includes royal throne, royal crown, medals, animals, head and skins, books, helipad, Nepal, Pratap Bhaskar Parvo, Ojoswi Rajanya Parvo, fountain, swan house, the 12-pillar open house, rotating house, round house office, etc. Naranhiti Palace Museum comprise Tribhuvan Sadan, Sri Sadan, Trishul Sadan, Mangal Sadan, and Royal Secretariat building. The Nepalese royal massacre occurred on 1st June 2001 AD at a house on the ground of the Naranhiti Palace Museum. The then resident of the Nepalese monarchs, some members of the royal family, including King Birendra and his wife Queen Aishwarya, were killed. Yes, as you can see right behind me, domesticate tourists and domesticate excursionists are visiting Naranhiti Palace Museum. I wish international tourists and international excursionists would also visit Naranhiti Palace Museum sooner rather than later. So, do visit Naranhiti Palace Museum on your off day in the capital city of Kathmandu. Thank you very much. Namaste.